Come on, E.T. Do something. God, you can really hear the road today. Whoa! Almost dropped the phone. Drop the mic. Yum, yum. Well, did my 5-hour drive for a motorcycle yesterday. And I'm not going to say anything about it. Well, driving is so boring. God, driving is boring. Oh, come on. 61 degrees this morning. 5:30 in the morning. With shit tons of shit in the air. I don't even understand that. Oh, what's in the air? But boy, oh boy, it's in the air. Anyway. Watching somebody interview, I think the Skeptical channel or something like that on YouTube, interviewing Carrie Cassidy, who's normally a drag, but she always tries to document everything. It's like, God, fuck it, just tell the fucking story. You know, in books where they, and General so-and-so, he was the captain of this and had this and he went to this school and went to that school and has this credential. It's like, fuck that, what did he fucking say? I don't care about the dumbass credentials. Yeah, you should watch this movie. It was made by this guy who made this movie and that didn't get the Academy Award. And it's like, fuck that. Oh, anyway. Anyway, you can hear sounds today. I don't know what's up with that. From the highway. Anyway, Wednesday. Carrie Cassidy going back to the old shit, you know, but not as badly as she normally does. She does touch on the where we really were at, you know. I think she agrees with me that it's like, God, just tell everybody the fucking truth and let's move on. Ollie's way down there, man. Chloe was wound up today. I thought I was going to have to beat her. Get her to, she was trying to, she was playing, but she gets, you know, and then the other dogs don't understand. They want to jump in, and it's on Ollie. Ollie pretty much doesn't take any shit, but he doesn't hurt anything. He just, well, never mind. I'm not even going to talk about that. Let's just change the subject to the ETs. Oliver! As soon as I said it, I could see the light. Well, I assume that's Oliver. You want a hot dog? See if I can find what pocket I put it in. A stinky, sticky hot dog. Goopy! Goopy! Well, I knew this. I put a, well, I don't know. Think about taking the, I put a jacket on this morning. And I don't know if I want to keep it on or not. I don't know. You want a hot doggy? Probably some doggy in this, unfortunately. Okay, hold on a minute. Let's see. Put that in those fingers. Chloe. Oh shit! Hot dog juice all over my fingers. My favorite. Chloe, you want a hot dog? Callie Willie. What? Oh, did he put it down? Well, hot dog? Boop. No? You're so weird. Is that a hot dog right there? Look at the hot dog. Boink. Coopy. You're so weird. You're so weird. Boink. Cooper. Coop. Come here. Chloe, what are you doing? Chloe. Probably rolling that black shit. Chloe. Hey. Chloe, get out of there. Chloe. Come here. Chloe. Come here. Chloe. Oh boy. What is somebody's pissing? Pissing as they're walking? That's interesting. What are you doing? You getting in that black shit? Oh God, that stuff stinks. All right, let's go. All right, I'm taking the jacket off. Wrap it around me. Now let's see if we can get this arm out. So far, so good. Can I tie it in a knot with hot dog fingers? I don't know. Yes. Yay. Anyway, do you need this light? Not really. Anyway. Anyway, what's going on? What's happening? What's going on? Whew. Telling us to look at the skies, but I don't see nothing. I saw. What the fuck? I filmed something yesterday. I put on YouTube. Coming through the clouds, which probably doesn't show up very good. But it was pretty cool in person. I have seen a deer up in the clouds. I mean, it was a deer. It was speckled in its nose and its eyes and its face and its mouth. It's on my channel, but good luck finding it. It's hard to see. You can see it in the video, but if you don't know where to look, I don't know if you saw it. Maybe you would. Just the head of the deer. And it's no antlers, just, I guess that's a female. Hey, what do I know? The day before I saw it, I believe it was that deer, was killed on the highway, and as I often do, I say, congratulations, and you can hang out at my house in heaven, wherever that is, but I'm sure they have places to go. And then the very next day, I saw that in the clouds. Cat Kerr with a K has lots of pictures that are extremely undeniable of different beings in the clouds. I'm sure you can find her somewhere. Anyway, what's going on? What's happening? Well, I don't see anything happening. I see people talking about shit happening, but I don't see anything happening. Prices are still off the fucking charts. That's got to be to piss people off. I know maybe they'll. I don't even know how people are making it. I just don't understand how they're even making it. It's just so fucking expensive. It's just crazy. I mean, you go through the drive-up window now and they say $30-something. It's like, yeah. I got to some tacos. I think I told you the other day. $42 for 6 tacos. Yeah, we got 2 meals out of it, but fuck. I don't go to fast food anymore. That was drive up. But like I go to this restaurant and get a little thing of lasagna. It's like, I can't even remember what it was, like $25 for a little pan of the lasagna. It's one serving thing, Just crazy. They raised it during the C-19 bullshit lie, saying that they couldn't get supplies. Well, there's no supply issue now, and there's no shortages of anything. It seems like, but why hasn't anybody asked these people? Well, since there's no longer a supply issue, and we have plenty of resources, how come you haven't lowered your prices back down again? And they're like sitting on their yachts going, why would we, dumbass? So why would they? Like the gas prices and the grocery prices, and then the grocery prices gets passed on to the restaurants. They got no choice. They're not making any more than they ever did, and just struggling because nobody can pay their prices. So. But the grocers are the people who supply the grocers. Somebody's making the money somewhere, and there's no reason for it at all. I think Trump even said that, but I hope to God by now Trump's not in charge of nothing. The alliance is in charge of the planet. Well, for the good guys anyway, and Trump's just a piece of it. A good piece, but just a piece. People assign all this, well, Trump's doing this and this and this, and it's like, no, they're just showing you Trump. There's all kinds of people behind Trump. Trump was only your president because of the people behind Trump. They came to him and said, hey, so the story goes that they came to him and said, well, the Alliance did, we're about to take over the planet through military because we don't know what else to do. We got one last chance to do it through natural channels, and we needed somebody to be our president that's not compromised and has enough money where they can't bribe you, and you're it. Would you do the job or not? And the story goes, that he did not want to do it, and then they showed him what had been happening with the children, and he went, all right. So he joined in. And you can see him with young people and children. Definitely not. No perverted moves when he's picking up children or near young people. It's nothing perverted at all. It's just, natural. So, anyway, the Alliance is the one running the show. And supposedly that was started by us from the future coming back to try to I guess the future turned out to be such shit, and they had time travel, that they came back with a plan, super advanced plan, because that's what it would have took. Because the ones in charge of this planet, like Carrie Cassidy actually said today, are people from another, beings from another planet are in charge of this planet. And they ain't good ones. But they came back from the future, back to, I think, somewhere around the 50s, and started the Alliance. And they've been working ever since. And it's, to quote them, it's very close. But that could mean another 1,000 years. So, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You gotta turn your headlight around. Oh man. So anyway, time is going so fast, isn't it? Oh my God. I think the magnesium and the whatever fucking vitamins I'm taking, actually, they seem to be working. I'm having less cramps, so if it continues, I'll make a note of what these products are and who has them. You can't just go get a supplement. You might as well just dig up. Well, I was gonna say dig up some dirt out of the ground and eat it, but that's probably way better. Most supplements are just nothing. It's just printing on a label. Extra strength. No, it's nothing in it. You know. So I've had that discussion on here before. How many minutes are we at? 17? Well, so I don't know what to tell you. Just go with the flow. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. Just go with the flow and see what God wants to show you that day. He continues to do, just crazy stuff. And it's really cool. And it just makes you smile. And you just keep going with the flow. And see where he wants you to go. And if you're flowing, you should be going, I guess. If you're flowing, you should be going. If you're flowing. So, have a nice hump day. Go out and hump somebody if you can. So, that's it. Hang in there.